Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. New A220s and 787s enter China. Why more planes are still needed? China's aviation market, the world's largest single-country market for commercial aircraft, is undergoing significant transformation driven by fleet modernization, geopolitical dynamics, and domestic ambitions. The Airbus A220 and Boeing 787 play notable roles. While new aircraft needs reflect both growth and strategic shifts. China's aviation market growth. China's air traffic is projected to grow at 5.3% annually over the next 20 years, outpacing the global average of 3.6%. This will require 8,420 new passenger and freighter aircraft by 2041, representing over 20% of global demand. The need for efficient, modern aircraft like the A220 and 787 is critical to meet this demand while addressing sustainability goals. Airbus A220 in China. The A220, designed for 100 to 150 passengers, is gaining traction for regional routes. Airbus delivered 5 A220s in May 2025, with production targets aiming for 14 per month by 2026. However, with a backlog of 486 aircraft and supply chain constraints, achieving this is challenging. The A220's fuel efficiency, 20% less than previous generation aircraft, makes it attractive for Chinese carriers like Air China, which operates regional jets like the Comac A220. Boeing 787 in China. The 787 Dreamliner, known for its long-range capabilities and fuel efficiency, is used by carriers like China Southern and Air China. However, trade tensions have delayed deliveries, such as Junyao Air's 787-9 in 2025. China Southern's plan to divest its 10 787-8s, replacing them with Comac C919s, signals a shift toward domestic aircraft, though the 787 remains vital for long-haul routes. Comac C919 as a domestic alternative. The C919, China's narrowbody jet, competes with the A320 and 737. Certified in 2022, it entered service with China Eastern in 2023. Comac aims for 1/5 of the global narrowbody market by 2035, with over 1,000 orders, mostly from Chinese airlines. Its reliance on U.S. components, 55% of suppliers, poses risks amid trade wars, but it reduces dependence on Airbus and Boeing. Airbus's dominance in China. Airbus holds a 53.7% market share in China, with over 2,200 aircraft in service. Its Tianjin Final Assembly Line, VAL, delivered its first A321neo in 2023 and plans to expand capacity to 75 A320 family aircraft per month by 2027. A potential order for 200 to 500 Airbus jets, including A220s and A330neos, could further solidify its lead, especially as Boeing faces tariff-related setbacks. Boeing's challenges in China. Boeing's market share is 39.4%, but trade tariffs and a 2019 to 2023 import freeze on 737 MAX jets have hurt. In 2025, China rejected MAX deliveries, with 25 undelivered 737 MAXes and 4 787s in inventory. Boeing's production of 31 MAXes per month in April 2025 lags behind its target of 38, and redirecting aircraft to non-Chinese customers adds delays. Fleet modernization needs. Chinese airlines are replacing aging fleets, such as China Southern 787-8s and Air China's Boeing 747,400s. The A220 suits regional routes, while the 787 and A350 target long haul. However, Comac C919 and upcoming C929, a widebody in development, aim to fill these gaps, reducing reliance on foreign manufacturers. Carriers like China Eastern ordered 300 Airbus jets in 2024, reflecting dual sourcing. Geopolitical and tariff impacts. US-China trade tensions, including Trump-era tariffs, have shifted preferences toward Airbus and Comac. China's reported ban on U.S. aircraft parts in 2025 threatens Boeing's 1,500 in-service aircraft, risking downtime similar to Russia's sanctions-related issues. Airbus benefits as a European alternative, with shares rising 3% after reports of a major Chinese order. Sustainability and efficiency. China's green aviation strategy emphasizes sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, and efficient aircraft. The A220 and 787 offer 20 to 25% fuel savings compared to older models, aligning with goals to reduce carbon emissions. Airbus's Tianjin A321neo delivery used 10% SAF, and partnerships with China National Aviation Fuel Group aim to expand SAF use. Industrial cooperation and innovation. Airbus's deep ties with China, including a Tianjin VAL, composite manufacturing in Harbin, and R&D centers in Suzhou and Shenzhen, enhance its position. Boeing's supply chain integration is weaker, and Comac's growth relies on global suppliers, complicating self-reliance. China's aviation ecosystem, with 2,300 Airbus employees and $1 billion in industrial cooperation, supports long-term growth. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.